Hello, it's How To Not To. Here I have another vintage product to show you that I found in my attic. So let's reveal what we have. This is the Sony VHS video cassette recorder that we used to record from your TV or record footage from a camcorder. So if you still have old footage on the VHS tapes, these are the tapes that we used to use to record footage on. VHS tapes. You need this machine here to be able to view or transfer the footage from the old VHS tapes to digital. The VHS recorders are no longer made, but you can still buy one from eBay for under £100. So if you do have loads of VHS tapes to transfer to digital platform, then you can still buy a VHS cassette recorder from eBay for under £100. And I will be showing you how to transfer old footage from your VHS recorder to a digital platform like a PC or DVD player. So let's see what we have. It came with the aerial, the antenna cables, and this is an adapter to connect to your TV via the SCART lead. So if you don't have the ports to support phono audio cable leads like this, you will need to connect it to this to connect from your video recorder to your TV. It didn't come with a 21-pin SCART lead, you had to buy that separately. So you would need this to view the footage on a TV or DVD player, or if you want to transfer the footage, you can connect the 21 SCART lead from your VHS recorder to your DVD player. Or you can directly connect it from your VHS recorder directly to your TV to be able to view the footage or to be able to record anything on your TV. Does any of this make sense? And we have the remote control that still has the batteries inside, and it looks like, yeah, it still works as well. So that's great. Right. Here we have the Sony logo engraved on the top of the video cassette recorder. The measurements are approximately 13.9 by 11.9 by 3.8 inches, which is quite big compared to your DVD players of today. So for those of you who don't know, a video cassette recorder, VCR, is an electronic mechanical device that records analog audio and analog video from your TV or other source on a removable magnetic tape video cassette and can play back the recording. In the 1980s and 90s, we used to be able to rent out movies. I think the first rental movie I saw was Freddy Krueger, and we all know how that ended. Most domestic VCRs are equipped with television broadcast receiver tuner for TV reception and a programmable clock timer for unattended recording of your television channel from a start time to an end time specified by the user. This feature allowed several programs to be recorded at different times without further user intervention and became a major selling point. This is where you would pop in the VHS tape. It's like a letterbox. So this is the on button, and underneath that we have the line 2 left and right jacks. To open, just press the button of the cover and pull it open. Further along you have the audio dub button, which allowed you to record over the normal audio track. Here we have the dial timer, which allowed you to make timer recordings of programs without turning on your TV. Programs buttons there. This is the eject button to eject the tape, play and stop button, and if you turn this you can fast forward or rewind the tape, and the same again, you can rewind or fast forward with these buttons up here, and you have pause and record buttons down there. At the back of the machine you have the SCART connectors to connect to your TV and the mains leads. These are the right and left audio out jacks, and the antenna connector leads goes in there. That's just the model details, which is the Slv-Se830G So let's switch it on, and it looks like it's already set to record BBC Two channel. I'm just going to pop in a VHS tape. Okay. So let's switch it on and take a look at what's on the tape. Looks like it's already set to record BBC Two channel. I'm just going to rewind it first. And as you can hear, it's so noisy. So here we have some old footage of what looks like a trip down to Devon. We went to Devon for a few days, rented a cottage out, and we went sea fishing there. That's what we're doing on the boat. We're just making our way back onto the shore, and as you can hear, the there's no and it was so beautiful. Which I would need to transfer to a DVD or hard drive. And to see that video, please click on the notification bell, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel to see how I transfer the old footage from the VHS tapes to a digital platform. Okay, see you in my next video. Bye for now.